Smart home cleaning has never been more advanced. In 2025, robot vacuums have evolved with self-emptying stations, AI-powered navigation, and powerful suction, making home maintenance effortless. Let's dive into the top robotic vacuums of 2025 and find the perfect one for your home. Roborock Qrevo Plus, hands-free cleaning at its best. The Roborock Qrevo Plus is a game-changer for those who want a fully automated cleaning experience. With its self-emptying and self-washing station, this robot vacuum can vacuum and mop while cleaning itself along the way. Its dual spinning mops ensure spotless floors, and its advanced LiDAR navigation allows it to map your home with precision, avoiding obstacles and optimizing cleaning routes. If you're tired of constantly emptying dustbins and washing mop pads, this vacuum lets you go weeks without manual intervention. The powerful 5,500 Pascal suction ensures that carpets, rugs, and hard floors are left spotless. Upgrade your home with the Roborock Qrevo Plus. Experience effortless cleaning today. Dreame X40 Ultra, the ultimate smart vacuum and mop combo. For those who want cutting-edge cleaning with high-tech AI navigation, the Dreame X40 Ultra is an excellent choice. This smart vacuum comes with an intelligent mop lifting system, allowing it to seamlessly transition from carpets to hard floors without spreading dirt. Its auto-emptying and mop cleaning station reduces maintenance, while the powerful 12,000 Pascal suction makes it one of the strongest robot vacuums available. The AI-driven 3D obstacle avoidance ensures it navigates your home flawlessly, dodging furniture, pet bowls, and cables. The built-in voice assistant compatibility also allows for effortless control through Alexa or Google Assistant. Get the Dreame X40 Ultra and take your smart cleaning to the next level. YEEDI Cube, compact, powerful, and budget-friendly. If you're looking for a versatile and affordable robot vacuum, the YEEDI Cube delivers impressive performance at a competitive price. Despite its budget-friendly tag, it features self-emptying and self-cleaning functions, eliminating the need for constant maintenance. Its powerful suction and efficient mopping system ensure a thorough clean, while its compact design allows it to navigate tight spaces and under furniture effortlessly. This vacuum is perfect for smaller apartments or homes with lots of furniture, thanks to its slim and maneuverable build. Plus, its smart app control makes scheduling and monitoring cleaning sessions a breeze. Try the YEEDI Cube for a hassle-free, budget-friendly cleaning solution. NARWAL Freo Z Ultra, the next-level hybrid cleaner. For those who want the best of both vacuuming and mopping, the NARWAL Freo Z Ultra is an all-in-one cleaning powerhouse. Unlike traditional robot mops, it features real-time mop washing to keep floors truly clean, rather than just pushing dirt around. With AI-powered dirt detection, it automatically adjusts suction and scrubbing intensity based on how dirty an area is. It even features smart voice interaction, allowing you to give commands and adjust settings with your voice. Designed for homes with both carpets and hard floors, the auto-lifting mop ensures it mops only where needed, keeping carpets dry and pristine. Revolutionize your home cleaning with the NARWAL Freo Z Ultra today. AIRROBO, smart cleaning on a budget. For those seeking an efficient and affordable robot vacuum, the AIRROBO delivers powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and app-based control at a fraction of the cost of premium models. Designed for smaller homes or those new to robot vacuums, this model offers smart mapping, strong suction, and long battery life for a fraction of the price of high-end competitors. While it doesn't include self-emptying or mop cleaning stations, it provides a reliable, everyday cleaning solution without breaking the bank. Get the AIRROBO today for smart, affordable home cleaning. Final thoughts. Which robot vacuum is right for you? Which one do you think is the best? Drop a comment below and check them out today.